Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download bar chart as image in MS Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Open Microsoft Excel. Okay, now open snipping tool on your computer. You can just go over here on the search bar and type snipping tool, and you can just open it. Just click on new and select the area you want to snip. Or you can also press Window plus Shift plus S on your computer and you can select the area you want to snip. Like this. That's it. That's how you can download bar chart as image in MS Excel. That's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, sorry, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.